Today we'll be going over how to install an EcoHitch part number X7365 on your Subaru Crosstrek. If you find this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for future installs. To start, remove the 4 exhaust hangers on the muffler. Locate the 4 holes in the frame rails on the underside of the vehicle. Remove the 4 rubber plugs from the driver's side and passenger side frame rails. Guide the coiled end of the bolt fisher carefully into one hole and out through the other. Use the provided bolt and appropriate hardware and feed it through the holes in the frame. Pull the bolt fisher to guide the hardware into position. For the forwardmost hole, take the bolt fisher and attach the bolt onto the coiled end. Push the hardware into the hole one piece at a time. Then pull straight back down on the fisher. Repeat this process for both sides of the vehicle. Raise the hitch into position, being careful not to push the hardware back into the frame. Once the hitch is in place, secure the bolts in place with the appropriate hardware. Then torque the 4 nuts. Finally, reattach your exhaust to the exhaust hangers on the vehicle. When you're ready to use your EcoHitch, insert the receiver into the cross tube, securing it with the provided 5/8 inch bolt. Your installation is now complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torquelids products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.